started.
Hey guys, what's up? We're gonna be doing some soccer field and math problems on the soccer field today, and we're gonna be going over section 8.4, and that is the properties of rhombuses, squares, and rectangles. And we got a little quiz game set up. As you can see, I got a square in the left top corner, and if we hit it, should be a pop-up of some a square fact in the middle of the goal. And a rectangle is in the bottom right corner, and if we hit that, another fact should show up. And who's going to be assisting me with shooting is going to be my brother Aiden. And I'm also going to be behind the camera.
Go.
Stop. A quadrilateral is only a rectangle if and only if it has congruent right angles.
Okay, go.
A quadrilateral is only a square if and only if it is a rectangle and a rhombus. Quadrilateral is a rhombus if and only if it has four congruent sides. Hey guys, what's up? I just wanted to explain, we're back in now, and I just wanted to go over what I said on the soccer field to make it more clear for y'all. And basically what I said was that all the corollaries for the section 8.4, and the first one is the rhombus corollary, and basically it says a quadrilateral is a rhombus if and only if it has four congruent sides. So I drew a rhombus with four congruent sides to show this is what a rhombus would look like. Also, I drew a rectangle, and the rectangle corollary is a quadrilateral is a rectangle if and only if it has four congruent right angles. So basically, all the angles in this quadrilateral are right angles, so technically it is a rectangle. And finally, the square corollary is a quadrilateral is a square if and only if it is a rectangle and a square. So basically, if I could just add that each of these sides on these rectangles is congruent, that would make it a square. So those are the corollaries for section 8.4 in your blue geometry book. Hey guys, now we're going to look at the rectangle. The rectangle is a quadrilateral with four congruent angles or right angles. Every angle in a rectangle is a right angle. You can symbolize that by drawing little squares in every corner. Also, shown in Theorem 8.3, parallelogram is a rectangle if and only if its diagonals are congruent. That means from one diagonal angle to the other diagonal angle, when they cross, both of them are congruent. Both of them are the same size. Hey guys, what is up? We're off the soccer field, now we're in the house, and now we're going to learn about the rhombus and what the properties of the rhombus are. So first, a rhombus is a quadrilateral with four equal sides or congruent sides. You can signalize the sides are congruent by marking a dash through it. Like that. Also, explained in Theorem 8.11, a parallelogram is a rhombus if and only if its diagonals are perpendicular. This means the opposite angles form a line with each other, crossing and creating a perpendicular line creating a right angle. Also, expressed in Theorem 8.12, a parallelogram is a rhombus if and only if each diagonal bisects a pair of opposite angles. That means each opposite angle, the perpendicular lines bisect each angle and separate them or split them equally into two. Hey guys, what's up? I'm just gonna show you what I found around my house that represents a rhombus, a square, and a rectangle. And the first item I found was an Intel iCore processor box. And the front is the shape of a square. I measured it. Each is about 3.5 inches across, and I thought it was pretty cool. So here's another thing I found in my house that is a square. Next item was my iPhone 4 box. It's a perfect rectangle because not all the sides are the same. These sides are shorter than this side, and each of the angles is a right angle. So I thought that was pretty cool. Yeah, it's hard to find a rhombus, but I found what I closely could. Each of the sides are congruent. I measured them. It's supposed to be like that, but I unfolded it like that. So each side's congruent. It's a rhombus, and it actually is a square as well, because it does have 4 right angles. But I couldn't find another rhombus, so I thought that was pretty cool, and that's what I found in my house. A rectangle, rhombus, and square. Thank you.